Good day, guys. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. I remain your digital marketing pro, Emperor Joe. And in this video, I'll be teaching us on how to use digital marketing skill to thrive your affiliate marketing business. I'll be teaching us the secrets they will never teach you in school. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. In my previous video, I talked about creating a niche. Now, creating a niche as an affiliate marketer or an aspired affiliate marketer is what differentiates you from the rest affiliate marketers. In as much as affiliate marketing business is very, very easy, it might be as well difficult if you don't follow the rules and guidelines. Now, the first thing I would love to talk about is content. Not just anyhow content. Creating a very, very high and standard quality content, very, very important. As a beginner in the affiliate marketing business or an aspired affiliate marketer, you need to provide a useful, engaging, and informative content that will catch your audience attention. Very, very important. Now, at the mention of the word content, a lot of you are beginning to wonder that what kind of content am I even talking about? Now, it could be anything. It could be videos, blog posts, tutorials, and anything useful at all. But it has to be highly informative and engaging because that is the only thing that can catch your audience attention. Very important. Secondly, you have to focus on niche interests because when it comes to niche in affiliate marketing, the importance of niche can never be ruled out. When it comes to choosing a niche in affiliate marketing, it has to be something you are very, very passionate about. Something you can easily pitch to people. Something you know that people around you will actually love anytime you talk to them about it. There are so many persons that love gadgets so much. Then when it comes to choosing a niche, they decide to choose automobile as their niche. That is very, very wrong. Because you love gadgets and you are pitching to people about automobile. So how do you expect that to work? Create a niche from your passion. So it makes it easier for you to talk to people about it whenever you want to talk to them. Another important point that I would love to talk about is platform selection. When you are selecting a platform, always make sure to select a platform where your target audience are very, very active. Maybe social media, maybe blogs, forums, and so on and so forth. Okay, let me use social media as an example. There are a lot of persons that are more active on WhatsApp than they are active on Facebook. So WhatsApp should be your target platform, not Facebook. Retrospectively, for the sake of those persons that didn't watch the last video on how to join affiliate marketing business, very, very easy. Look for an affiliate marketing platform. Register with them, then you begin. But most importantly, don't forget to select a niche. Your niche has to be something you are very, very passionate about so that you won't get it wrong. For those that have been moving with us right from the beginning of this video, always make sure to display your affiliate link so as to maintain good relationship, transparency, and also build trust with your audience. Now, this drives us to audience engagement. Always make sure to interact with your followers, answer their questions, and try as much as possible to build a very good relationship with them. Because whether I like it or not, affiliate marketing is a business of the people. And for you to thrive in that business, you need people. There are some of us that don't like to talk to people at all. You don't even like to make friends. Now you have to transform that mindset. That was why the Bible said, be ye transformed by the renewal of your mindset. Because if there's no mindset transformation, there can never be pocket transformation. There are a lot of persons around you that have what you want. So that means for you to get what you want, you have to give them what they want. Now, what do they want? They want something special, something very unique, something nobody has ever talked to them about. If perhaps anybody has talked to them about it, they have never talked to them about the same way you're going to talk to them about that particular thing. As an affiliate marketer for several years, people begin to wonder and they begin to ask me questions. What do you even do for a living? I tell them I'm an affiliate marketer. The next question is, what are you marketing? How do you market these things? And who do you even market to? So that takes me back to what my teacher used to teach me back then in school. My teacher will always tell us that as a producer, you are faced with three major problems: what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. As a problem solver, you already studied your environment and you know what to produce. Since you have critically studied your environment and you know what to produce, how to produce shouldn't be a big deal. Then the people you are producing for shouldn't be a big deal. But as an affiliate marketer, what to produce and how to produce shouldn't be a problem. In fact, it's none of your business. You should be more focused on creating a perfect niche and joining the perfect platform. I don't have to tell you which platform you need to join. You can go online, make your research, search, and all of that. But most importantly, choose a perfect niche. Because of our time, I would love to pause this video here. But in my next video, I'll be teaching us about diverse promotion strategy, optimized for conversion and continuous improvement. So I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.